Say, hey, Freeman. I was supposed to do meal prepping this week. Hey, y'all. It's me and baby Freeman here. Please ignore the background, y'all. Got pillows everywhere. Say, hey, Freeman. Hey. Anyway, y'all, what's up? What's today? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I actually just got back in the house. It's a little bit after 10 o'clock. Oh, actually, it's almost 10:30. Anyway, but we just got back in the house. I had to take Trey and Frederick to school this morning because Dwayne had to be at work. Dwayne went back to work on Monday. I don't know if I said that. But Dwayne went back to work on this Monday. So I'm at home now by myself with the baby. Oh, I might need to watch that. Oh yeah, I got distracted. I'm sorry. I just saw this movie title. I'm supposed to look at it. It's like The Devil You Know. I'm supposed to look at that and see what that's about. But yeah, Dwayne went back to work one day. Me and Freeman is here, but we just got back. I dropped the boys off at school, and then I went into Walmart because I went into Walmart to get Frederick some clothes. We're going on vacation this summer. I don't know if I've already announced it, but we will be going. I'll make it a surprise. But we are taking vacation this summer. So I went and bought him some clothes from Walmart because they've been having the boy here. They've been having the boy clothes. Well, not just boys, but they be having that brand at Walmart. Y'all know the brand Garnimals. They had that brand at Walmart. Right now the summer clothes are like $2.98. I think I saw some for $3.98. Some things were $4.98. But most of the stuff I got was $2.98. Basically a top and some shorts. You can't beat that with a stick. So basically one outfit is $6. So I went and got him like a whole bunch of little summer outfits for vacation. Cause he had summer clothes, but those are like the hand-me-down clothes that Trey was wearing for the last year, and he's basically wearing those clothes right now, like to school and stuff. So I wanted him to get some nice, clean, not dingy, fresh clothes for vacation. So that's why I went ahead and bought those. And then I just got a few more other items. But that was my main goal for going to Walmart. And now we're back at the house. I went and got me some McDonald's as well. I know, y'all. I was supposed to do meal prepping this week, so I kind of fell off with that. But we're gonna get it together because I definitely have goals to meet with my weights. And I was thinking also probably going to take a walk today with him prior to me leaving to go get the boys. I'll probably go take a little walk around the neighborhood just to start getting my body used to walking. So I think I'm gonna do that today. We'll probably take like a little 15-minute walk, not too long, because he can't be out there too long. It's too hot for him. So probably like a little 15-minute walk around the neighborhood just to get my body working. And then once I hit 6 weeks and I'm clear like from the doctor to really work out, then that's when I'll start doing that. Because I already got, if y'all remember last year, I bought some stuff to start working out, which I did start working out, but of course I got pregnant with baby and I got lazy. I wasn't fit to work out. I mean, I just wasn't. I probably could have continued to work out, but I just didn't want to. Anyway, what is it? I think he's sleepy. But anyway, I'm supposed to go ahead and eat my food and try to get him down for a little nap. Cause yeah, he getting a little fussy. He did good at Walmart. He was up, but he was pretty quiet. He had a bottle, and I had to change his little poopy diaper and everything like that. So Freeman is officially 1 month old. He turned 1 month old yesterday. Yes, I'm 1 month old. Yes, I am. I'm 1 month old. Oh. He's 1 month old, so he has his appointment tomorrow. So I'll vlog that. So I'll vlog it, or I'll come on the vlog and let y'all know his updated stats. As far as weight and stuff like that, I think he's almost 8 pounds. Y'all know I be having small babies. Every time somebody see him, they be like, "Oh, he's so small." I know, baby, but just give it a few months. Give it a few months. See, outside how Frederick was. Frederick was 5 pounds in some ounces. I can't remember his ounces, but he was 5 pounds and some ounces. And baby, within a few months, he was fit. Okay, so I might have some small babies when they come out, but y'all know they get plump. They get pretty plump as the months go on. So he already getting a little thick. Look at his face. His little face is getting round and everything like that. His little thighs, baby, his thighs are chunky. So y'all know I told y'all I don't be wanting to spit out no big baby, especially since this last time I didn't. Y'all know I told y'all I couldn't feel the epidural. The epidural didn't work. And so I'm grateful. He was only 6 pounds when he came out. Because, yeah, it was just imagine if he was like a 10-pound baby. Oh, God, no. But anyway, let me stop talking because y'all know I'll keep the rambling. Anyway. better. Chris! Woo! Yeah, he all the way over there. Woohoo!
All right, Chris. Good job. You made it. Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Please recognize your guests. What do you say? We will now sing our alma mater.
Oh, that's yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't even think about y'all. Woo!
I cheated my whole way through. Oh, I mean, what?
What did he say? Cheated.
Good job. You did it. Woo! Your man now.
Does he keep y'all informed?